Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of October 30 to November 3, 2023. So on the Green Store, I worked with Shakib to check and make sure all products and product details match on the live store and our product inventory module in Zoho. So everything matched except the newly added product, which is the TP-Link desktop switch. So initially, this had no content and images are not optimized properly. So I worked on it and I added the details accordingly, and it should be ready for pulling. Also, we discussed and agreed that new products being pulled will be placed in draft mode as they will be optimized prior to publishing on the store. Then on the main website, we disavowed 168 bad domains last Friday, and that's a 38% increase from the other Friday. So the total is now at 12,751. So then I also fixed 9 broken links by removing them from the comment section and pingbacks in our articles on the site. Also, I worked with Eunice to redesign the product destruction page. And in line with this, I learned that Google has completed a 7-year-long switch to mobile-first indexing that began in 2015. So what is the significance of this? Mobile-first indexing means Google now prioritizes mobile versions of the sites. So when crawling and indexing. So the change reflects Google's growing focus on mobile users in recent years. So with the switch completed, so Google will reduce desktop crawling to conserve resources because relatively mobile crawling is very light compared to crawling the desktop version of a site. So with this, I took the time to redesign the product destruction page mockup in mobile version. So this is the layout that I came up with. And moving forward, we will be implementing the mobile first design approach. So I will do the mobile version, then the desktop version. So for the footer, this is just a proposal to shorten this section for optimal user experience on mobile. So this will save some vertical space as the section becomes unnecessarily long on mobile. So there are compromises we have to take on mobile. We can't have everything we have on the desktop. So we don't need to do the changes now. Let me know what you think about this approach. Any feedback is helpful. So this is the desktop version. So very straightforward. Then the rest, I continued working on the technical fixes needed on the site. So part of this is studying and working on implementing selective Google crawl. So this was discussed by Samira to me last week. So I think that this is a valid concern, and especially in our case, as we have many bad pages previously set. So we will be implementing this to optimize and guide Google as to which part of the site we want to be crawled and indexed. So to achieve this, we will be doing multi-level solutions using sitemaps, our robots.txt file, and by setting individual pages that we don't want crawled to no index. So after digging into the sitemaps, we are already seeing some problems. So we have two major sitemaps, a general sitemap and a new sitemap that we intentionally created using Yoast, the plugin for SEO that we are using. So if you dig into the general sitemap, you will see 17 more sitemaps inside. So, and we have the directory category sitemap here that contains, if you open that, it contains green directory-old URL. So this was previously raised by Samira that this is an issue since this URL no longer exists and redirected to the correct URL of the green directory in our site, and we're still instructing Google to crawl these URLs and being redirected every time, and that can cause some issues and possible penalties. So we will be fixing that this week. So other issues I found are the news sitemap copies. So these are duplicate. So we will be removing this as well. So I'll be working on it this week and collaborate with the team closely, as these are critical aspects of the site. So this can take some time, especially on reviewing and setting no index on individual pages that has potential issues. But yeah, we have to work on it. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.